Hi, my name is Nika and I'm a manufacturing specialist at the Cherry Hill site. And my role identifies inefficiencies related to respective processes and implements sustainable improvements and long-term solutions. The words that describe Hikma to me are innovative, collaborative, and supportive. Hikma's really unique in the way that you're able to start as an entry-level employee and are given chances to challenge yourself with hands-on experiences, collaboration with cross-functional departments, and leadership opportunities. Hikma also invests in employees' personal development with a wide variety of online courses and books, scholarship opportunities, and community events. Hikma's devotion to innovation, not only within our products, but within our team mindsets, is my favorite value. Every challenge we face, we have the ability to problem solve and to adapt to promote quality-driven ideas, processes, and products. We're constantly learning and striving to be better and are able to leverage diverse and inclusive perspectives. What excites me most about my job is the ability to be part of a company that strives to develop medicines that address unmet medical needs and improve the quality of life for patients around the world. This is something that myself and everyone I work with take great pride in. We're able to go home every day with satisfaction, knowing that our jobs and our work matter and that we were able to help someone or their family today.